The world's largest medical glove manufacturer, Top Glove, is ramping up production due to skyrocketing demand because of the pandemic. The Malaysia-based company plans to invest $1 billion in 5 years to expand and modernize production facilities. Executive Chairman and founder Dr. Lim Wee Chai tells CNA's Melissa Goh 2020 is going to be a record year for Top Glove.
In glove business is very competitive. It's an international business, so how tough is the competition? As tough as like Olympic game, you want to become Olympic champion is difficult, but you want to maintain it number one for many years, which you have been maintaining for the past 10 years, is even more difficult.
But you're in an unshakable position.
Yeah, unshakable now, but because of the past, we work very hard, very well. One day you don't work well, other people will catch up.
You're not afraid of competition?
Good time, many people jump into this business. 250 glove companies been set up over the past 20, 30 years. 200 of them already closed. Surviving is only 20%, or 50 glove companies still around. That's why when you have good foundation, we can grow very well.
Now, Top Glove aims to be the second Fortune Global 500 companies after Petronas. Now, how do you intend to get there? What's your plan?
We must invest in research and development. In order to do good research and development, we need talent, especially young graduates. So in our research team, we have more than 600 of researchers. We invest in talent. So in order to grow big, to become Fortune Global 500 company, we need to grow 30 times. So 30 times is almost like 500 factories. Now we have 45 factories. By 2040, we hope to achieve the sales revenue of $35 billion US.